Good morning, my dear all friends and respected sir. Today we are dealing with our fourth paper, research methodology, and I want to present on literature review. So let me share my screen. Just a minute. Is it visible, sir? Okay. So literature review in a research. So here we are table of content. First we see that what is a research, then literature review, then literature review process, elements in literature review, and the importance of literature review, and as it is work cited. So first, what is a research? During our school career, we have probably written many personal essay that presented your thoughts, feeling, and opinion, and that did not refer to any other source of information or ideas. Some assignment, however, require us to go beyond our personal knowledge. We undertake research when we wish to explore an idea, a problem, an issue, solve a problem, or make an argument in relation to what others have written. So we then seek out and use the materials beyond our personal resources. The outcome of such an inquiry appears in the research paper. So the term research paper describe a presentation of student research that may be in a printed, an electronic, or a multimedia format. So we know about research. Now, what is a literature review? And we all are aware about literature review because we are working on our dissertation, so it's very important to us. So now, uh, uh, H.M. Cooper give one means definition that a literature review uses as its database reports of primarily or original scholarship, and does not report new primary scholarship itself. The primary reports used in the literature may be verbal, but in the vast majority of cases, reports are written documents. The types of scholarship may be empirical, theoretical, critical, analytic, or methodological in a nature. And then second, a literature review seeks to describe, summarize, evaluate, clarify, and or integrate the content of primary. So do you agree with the statement by Cooper? Most of us students have not fully grasped the concept of literature review. Some students believe that conducting a literature review involves gathering and assembling information for the paper. Research is being carried out in reality. The process of reviewing the material, necessity of analytical skills. So, thinking, criticizing, and an empirical approach are all required. A literature review is a formalized and uh, formal conventional topic for a research study, particularly a thesis or dissertation examining. The literature is an essential component of the overall research process. When you go on a research process, including a survey of the literature, will assist you in developing a theoretical framework. So roots of your subject of interest, clarification of concept, and development of a technique. A survey of the literature also assists you in integrating your result with the once upon a time there was a established corpus of knowledge. So this is one argument, or we can say definition of literature review. So the and this given by Chris Hart in his book. So a literature review is a body of text, and its main goal is to bring the reader up to date with current literature on a topic, and forms the basic from another goal, such as the justification for future research in the area. It seeks to describe, summarize, evaluate, clarify, and integrate the content of previous research. And the Hart also agree with this notion, but extended its definition to the selection of available documents, and the effective evaluation of these documents in relation to the research being proposed. So now literature review process. So when we start our dissertation, and sir and ma'am give also we are attending some more workshop. So I write down this, that first of select a topic, then search and choose the literature, like critics review and other research paper, then write the review and analyze and interpret the literature. Elements in the literature review. So locate major formative works in the field. Uh, a certain key researchers working on this topic, then find faint idea, conclusion and theories, establish similarity and differences, notice main methodologies and research technique, then identity gaps in exciting research, so relationship between previous study theories, provide context for your own research, and explore exciting information in the field of research. So now main question is that the importance of literature review. Why we are write a literature review? So here reviewing literature can the time consuming and daunting. However, it is always rewarding. A review of literature has a number of functions in research methodology. So three main function of a literature review. First one is to provide theoretical background. So second one is help justify how your findings are related to the body of knowledge in your field of research, and third one is establish the links between what you propose to examine and what has already been found. It helps you to define your research methodology. So these are four main, we can say, literature reviews importance that improve your research methodology, then focus on research problem, cater to knowledge base for research area, and contextualizing research findings. These are works cited. And thank you. If you have any query and question, you can contact me at the Riddhi 28 at gmail.com. Thank you.